Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my Creative Time with Emma, and also welcome to another 3D Wednesday. So first of all, I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I had taken a couple of weeks off just to spend it with my family. We had so much to do. So it was definitely a nice time off, and I'm super excited to be back. Yesterday, I had trouble with Blogger. For some reason, it would not let me post. Like, I wasn't able to post till like 2 a.m. So I had announced I had 3 brand new design team members from the design team call, and I went ahead and I wanted to introduce them yesterday, but Blogger wouldn't, it finally let me load the pictures, but it wouldn't let me, link them up correctly. So I'm going to have that on today's blog. So if you missed yesterday's post, everything will be on my blog today with the correct links to each blog. So we could all go ahead and welcome them to my creative time. I'm super excited. We had a ton of applicants. And I was kind of overwhelmed, and I was super happy and excited to see that so many were interested. But I only needed 3, so you could go ahead and see who the 3 were on my blog. So today I'm going to show you really quick what we are going to make. I'm using this set called the Perfect Match, and it does come with these dies right here, but I'm only going to use this die. I'm not going to use the little matches for it, so we're going to use that along with Chalkboard Valentine, and I'm going to use the Valentine greeting stamp. And then I'm going to use this paper here. What I like about that die that you could actually cut 2 out. This is a 6x6 paper pad, which I actually found at Target, aka Target. This was in the $3 section. It has some really cute little foil papers in here as well. I really like it, so I decided to use this one right here. And then with that particular die, you could fit 2 of these on an actual 6x6 paper, which is nice. I love that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. I went ahead and I cut out this already. I cut out the actual die. There are score marks there. And then what I'm going to do, there's like a little score mark here where you want to staple it so you could tuck the little paper in there. So I'm just going to grab my little Tim Holtz here, the tiny attacher. And I believe it's right here. Sorry. There is a little line to reference where to put the little staple. So we're just going to go ahead and do it right there. Okay, before I put the little candy in, I'm going to use this so I could go ahead and stamp on. But let me see how far it's going to tuck in there so I can know. Okay, so I'm just trying to figure the best way where to stamp it so it won't get tucked in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and ink up, and I'm using my favorite archival ink. This is Ranger. I'm getting rid of a lot of my inks, and some of them are brand new. I am seriously I have so much stuff in my craft room, so look for that soon in the next month or so. I'm going to be selling a lot of stuff that's practically brand new, so look out for that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this more toward up there, so let's go ahead and do that. Let me make sure it's inked up really well, because I don't want to mess this up. Okay, so let's go ahead and just put this right here. That'll be perfect, like so. Hopefully it's even and I didn't move it to make it crooked. Perfecto. Okay, I love it. Okay, so that is that. And then all we're going to do is grab this little Ghirardelli chocolate here. And I'm going to go ahead and just put this in on the inside, like so. And what I did was I put a little thing in the back, a little pop dot in the back. Hopefully that works there. And I'm going to go ahead and just tuck that in like so. Okay, super easy. You could totally mass produce these. And then I'm just going to take some twine and then just go ahead and tie it around. That simple. So let me go like like so. We'll just go ahead and tie it up and make a simple bow on here. Oops. Let me put this back in here. Now this paper, I like this paper pad that I picked up, but it's a little bit, the paper isn't as good quality, I should say. So, you know, you kind of get what you pay for, right? So I'm going to go ahead and just try this again. I'm going to hold this down like so, just like that. Oopsie. Okay. There we go. And then we're just going to go ahead and just make a little bow right here. I'm going to make it off to the side instead of the center. And just keep it really simple. And this will be really cute for your classmates, coworkers, just something simple to give as a little Valentine. Just like so. Alright, and that's it. A super simple little Valentine treat, since Valentine's Day is right around the corner, literally. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed my little 3D treat today. Don't forget to head on over to my blog at www.creativetimeforme.com to see what the rest of my amazing team has for you. And also don't forget to visit all of the new design team members' blogs and go ahead and give them a nice warm welcome. And I cannot wait for you just to get started with this new year. I'm super excited about 2018. I hope all of you are too. So thank you so much for joining me. Have a fabulous day, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Bye-bye.